Looking to create a stunning logo for your business, but don't know where to start? In this video, we'll explore 5 AI-powered logo generators that turn your ideas into brand-worthy logos in minutes. Let's dive right into our first tool, Wix Logo Maker. Start by clicking Create a Logo, then click Start Chat. It will ask few details, and we will be answering them like brand name, a short description, and slogan. The AI will take care of the rest. Once the tool generates logos, click View Logo to preview them. Found one you like? Perfect. Customize it by editing the icon color, tweaking the font, swapping the slogan style, and changing the icon. Want a new theme? Click on the palette to adjust the logo's look. When you're satisfied, click Next to preview your logo on brand materials like business cards or letterheads. Wix Logo Maker is fast, creative, and perfect for beginners. But wait, our next tool adds even more flair. Let's check out Zoviz. Start by entering your business name and clicking Create a Logo. Add your slogan and choose your industry. Then, search for an icon and pick a color range. Click Apply, and the tool generates a selection of logos for you to preview. Select one you like and start customizing. Change icon colors and adjust the background color. Edit the brand name and slogan font. Click Layout to explore different arrangements for your logo. Once you're happy, click Brand Preview to see how your logo looks on business materials. Zoviz makes it easy to match your brand's personality. Coming up next, we have Turbologo, a tool that's both fun and functional. Start by entering your company name, slogan, and clicking Create a Logo. Choose your industry, pick color inspirations, and add icons. Then, hit Generate Logo. Preview a variety of logos and click any one to edit further. Want more customization? Change the logo font, slogan font, or even flip the icon to give it a unique twist. Curious how your logo looks in the real world? View it on t-shirts, mobile screens, or billboards right inside the tool. Once done, click Download or copy the link to save your design. Turbologo combines creativity with ease. Next, we'll dive into a tool that lets you design your entire brand, Looka. Begin by entering your company name and selecting your industry. Choose logos you like, pick colors for inspiration, and enter your slogan. Select symbols that resonate with your business, and Looka will generate stunning logos tailored to your preferences. Preview the logos and pick one to customize. Change fonts until it's perfect. Once done, hit Share to copy the link or download your logo directly. Looka gives you total control over your branding. Now, let's move to our final pick, Brandmark. Start by entering your brand name, slogan, and relevant keywords. Then, select a style and hit Next. The tool generates a variety of logos. Preview them and choose one to customize. You can tweak the font size of your brand name and slogan and swap out icons or background colors to match your vision. You can also experiment with layouts and see how your logo looks on items like shopping bags or business cards. Once satisfied, click Share and save your logo. Brandmark ensures your logo looks polished and professional on every platform. And there you have it, 5 amazing AI tools to create stunning logos effortlessly. Now it's your turn. Which of these tools would you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences and suggestions. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.